Hello, everybody, and welcome to ARMR Investing. I'm Brett Rosenthal, and this is the number one chart of the day off of our trading desk. Now, the ARMR Investing way is about running a virtual hedge fund experience. I've been running hedge funds for over a decade. I've been running capital for over 30 years. I'm sharing with you the step-by-step process of how I run money. And of course, as always, should you wish, you can subscribe not only to this YouTube channel to make sure you get these updates, some fun community conversations, but also you can join us on the trading desk all day if you wish through armorinvesting.com. And we do have a free trial going on right now. So, hey, what's the downside? Check it out and see if you can gain some edge to your investing and trading behavior. Don't forget, share this channel if you want with anybody you think would benefit from this. So this is very difficult right now, coming up with one chart of the day off of our trading desk. Very difficult. And I share that with you because when we're making this kind of money on so many different investments, it's a bull market. Okay? Now, we try to get rid of phrases like bull market, bear market. These have connotations, make you feel like you have to do something. Let's just put it this way. We use algorithms to figure out when to commit risk and when to take risk off. That's part of the ARMR investing way. 2 weeks ago, our risk monitor goes green. We start putting capital to work. All of our positions are going berserk. And so instead of debating whether or not this is a kind of market or that kind of market, or what the Fed's going to say tomorrow, or what CPI was this morning, we don't care about any of that. Price action is all. We get rid of all the noise and we just execute. And so today, coming up with the number one chart of the day was another difficult endeavor. But here it is, just for you, off of our desk. The number one chart of the day, right there. Unity. U is the symbol. Unity Software is the number one chart of the day for us. Now, if you don't know Unity, you need to go do your own research, your own due diligence. Don't forget, at the Virtual Hedge Fund Experience, you're a portfolio manager on the desk. You've taken on the task of running your own capital, and I commend you for that. That means you also have to take the information that I'm sharing, the information that makes money for us, and see if it fits your risk tolerance, your goals, and all those things. So I point out these charts every day as a way to power up your investing process, give you some edge. Go do some work on your own on Unity. If you look at the chart, just simple technical analysis, you're going to see that the company is trading near its lows, right? After just, a Wall Street darling that got destroyed. It's been basing for over a year now. It's just now popped above the 200-day moving average, this green line here. And this day right here is the day that really put it on the map. Whoops, right? This was the day that put Unity back on the map for me. That day right there is the day that Apple shared with everyone that they're working with Unity. Okay? So what we did on our desk that day is we went to listen to the earnings conference call of Unity some weeks back. Okay, and what we like to do is use these charts, which are William O'Neill charts. This is Market Smith. And we can see the earnings date was here. We can see what the earnings are doing and the revenue and all that kind of thing. And so we got on the conference call back there. What date is that? From May. So we got on the conference call back in May. And on that call, they didn't talk at all about Apple. They just gave an update in their business. And in my opinion, after doing this for a very long time, that update was very bullish. Stock hasn't moved. Update was really bullish. And then there's the announcement that Apple and Unity are working together. Boom. Stock's up big, runs right up to the 200-day moving average, builds a pennant, and today is the follow through from that pennant. So as always, when I share any information like this with you, we use stop losses. We use risk management tools to protect capital. Okay. So if this position reverses over the next couple of days, I'm out. You can see here, this red line is the stop I'm using right now. So when we get a big up bar and a consolidation like this, the follow through bar that closes at a new high in here, I'm not looking for the tail. I'm just looking at this location right here. And that was today's close on rising volume. That gets me long, and the low of the consolidation is my stop. The risk is manageable. The reward, I think, is enormous if this really starts to get going. And that's why it's the number one stock chart of the day. Hope you find it helpful. I wish you guys the best of luck tomorrow. We have, of course, the Fed meeting. So our job on our desk is to avoid trading all morning, see what the Fed has to say, make sure they don't ruin what has been a great risk on entry point for us. But in all fairness, we put capital to work 2 weeks ago. So now all of our stops are raised. Worst case scenario, it rolls over, breaks down. We book profits, go back to cash. Best case scenario, Fed doesn't say anything horrible, and the market can continue to levitate for however long it wants to. Anyway, guys, have a great night. Thanks for spending time with me, and I'll see you all tomorrow.